Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Apple Money instead of a credit card. Apple Money is a digital payment method that allows you to send and receive money using your iPhone or Apple Watch. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of iOS or watchOS installed on your device. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch and tap on the Apple Money card. If you do not have an Apple Money card, you can set one up by tapping on the plus sign and following the prompts. You will need to provide some personal and financial information to verify your identity and link a bank account or debit card to your Apple Money account. Once your Apple Money account is set up, you can add money to it by linking a bank account or debit card. You can also receive money from friends and family by having them send it to your Apple Money account. To send money, open the Messages app and start a new conversation with the person you want to send money to. Tap on the Apple Pay button and enter the amount you want to send. One of the benefits of using Apple Money is that it is more secure than using a credit card. When you use Apple Money, your actual bank account or debit card number is not shared with the recipient, reducing the risk of fraud. Additionally, Apple Money transactions are encrypted and protected by two-factor authentication. To use Apple Money in stores, look for the Apple Pay logo at checkout. You can also use Apple Money to make online purchases by selecting Apple Pay as your payment method. At checkout, many popular retailers and apps accept Apple Money, including Uber, Starbucks, and Amazon. Best practices for using Apple Money include keeping your device and account information up to date, monitoring your account activity regularly, and only sending money to people you trust. You should also be aware of any fees associated with using Apple Money, such as transfer fees or interest charges. In conclusion, using Apple Money instead of a credit card is a convenient and secure way to make purchases and send money to friends and family. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Apple Money account and enjoy the benefits of digital payments.